Good morning, class 5 students. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to do page number 83, exercise 6.5 only in the book. Let's do. Write today's date. Question number 1. Solve the following word problems. A part, length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land. So I have drawn rectangular piece of land of rectangle, length opposite sides and breadth opposite sides. They are 5 3 by 7 meter and 6 2 by 7 meter respectively. Find the sum of all the sides of the land. Sum means addition, so we are going to add L plus B plus L plus B. There is a formula also. When we have 2L and 2B, the formula becomes 2 times L plus B. So 2 times length 5 3 by 7 plus 6 2 by 7. So students, you are not supposed to do this exercise in the copy. You are going to write this formula in the book only, so that in the exam if I give you these questions, you just do the calculation in your rough paper and tick the correct option in the answer. B part. An oil container had 2 3 by 5 liter of oil. Arushi poured 7 1 by 3 liter more oil into it. Find the total quantity of oil in the container. Total also means addition. So these two fractions will be added. C part. A recipe needs 3 2 by 15 cups of milk and 11 13 cups of curd. How much more milk does it need than curd? So there is a difference between milk and curd. Difference means subtraction. So these two fractions will be subtracted. D part. Akshay took 3 by 14 of an hour to paint a picture. Rishi finished his painting in 5 by 7 of an hour. Who took longer to paint the picture and by how much? For finding who took longer time, we need to compare these two number, and you know how to compare. Next part is by how much. So whichever will be the more, you will subtract it from the smaller one. You will get the answer. E part. In a music class, half of the total students play musical instrument. So if 50 students are there in a class, 25 goes for music class. If half of these students play string instruments like guitar, what fraction of students play string instruments? So the answer will be half of half. Half of half. Of means multiply. You will solve to get the answer. Next, Tanu spent 1 2 by 3 hours doing her homework. Shreya spent twice as many hours doing her homework as Tanu did. How many more hours did Shreya spend doing her homework? So Shreya spent 2 times 1 2 by 3. So 2 times means 2 multiply 1 2 by 3. Next, a car covered this many kilometer in two and a half hours. How much distance did it cover in 1 hour? So here we will divide. Okay, divide these two numbers, you will get the answer. Our next topic is chapter number 9, geometry. We are leaving decimals. Decimals will be taken in the next term. So page number 117, starting the geometry. Some geometrical terms are there. A point is just a dot. See, I have put a dot. This is a point on paper. The points are denoted by letters like A, B and K. Any capital letter. Okay, I can see C. A line can be extended to any length on both the sides. See, this is a line and it is shown by arrows on both the sides, denoted as AB, and at the above we have shown arrow. A line cannot be measured. Okay, we cannot measure because it keeps on extended. There are types of lines. Straight lines. This is a straight line. There are different types of straight line. Vertical line, slanting line, horizontal line. All the three are straight line, and curved lines which are not straight. Two or more lines can be intersecting, parallel or perpendicular. So we learn about lines. There are types of lines. Intersecting lines. Intersect lines is just when two lines intersect at a common point, like this diagram. Moving to, and this common intersection point is called point of intersection. Here point of intersection is O. Then parallel lines. Parallel lines, they do not meet any point. Okay, like your railway tracks. So A, B and CD are parallel, and we show it like this. AB is parallel to CD. Perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines meet at what point? Like first is standing, another is sleeping. Okay, first is vertical, another is horizontal. Okay, This is perpendicular line, and we show like AB is perpendicular to CD. This is AB is perpendicular to CD. Then plus sign is also example of perpendicular line, students. When we join two points with a straight line using a ruler, we get a line segment. If suppose A and B are 2 points and we join it with a ruler, this is a line segment and it has fixed 2 points. It can be measured because it cannot be extended, so no arrows are there. A line segment that extends only in one direction is called a ray, like your rays of the sun. Okay, it has one end point and one point which can extend indefinitely. It can be extended ultimately. Okay, and denoted by AB. So we show it like AB. This means AB is an arrow. Now students, angles, when two rays meet at a common endpoint, they form a figure called an angle. You can see this is a common point here, ray number 1, ray number 2, this become an angle. The common endpoint where two rays meet is called the vertex of the angle, and two rays are called the arms of the angle. These two are the arms and this is called vertex. Okay, the middle letter that we write to name the angle is always the vertex of the angle. Look at this, arm A and AC and AB. So we write this angle as CAB, angle CAB or angle BAC. Remember that vertex A lies in the center only. The region between the two rays is called the interior of the angle, and the region outside of the two rays is called exterior. If I draw angle, this is interior and outside is exterior. Classification of angles. Angles are mainly 4 types: right angle, an angle that measures 90 degrees and is formed by a vertical line and a horizontal line. This is horizontal line, this is vertical line. This is a right angle. So many objects has right angle. Acute angle, you can see this is right. Okay, this is right. Acute angle, an angle that measures more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. So you can see the beak, this is your acute angle. Okay, obtuse angle, an angle that measures more than 90 degree. For example, look at the laptop, this is obtuse angle. Moving to the next, straight angle, an angle that measures 180 degree. Look at this, this is 180 degree. They are called straight angle. Measures of an angle. How will you measure angle? Okay, so we measure length and weight in different units. So the unit of measurement of angle is degree, and we like this. If it is 25 degree, we put it like this dot, 25 degree. So measuring an angle with a protractor. Angles are measured in degrees with the help of an instrument called protractor. You can see here. So I have also got one, students. This is a big